Oh, that's 30. Okay. That's good. That's good. You guys are good. Uh-oh. You knocked over your water. Okay. We'll have to take a look at that. They knocked over their water. Oh, man. I need to go find hay. Hi, boys. Okay, so Mom has updated me. We are not breeding anybody this early. We're waiting till next round. So the fact that we saw, who was it, Dolce? It would have been too early because all her friends already went through their heat cycle, and she would have been like the only one. And then everybody else would have had to, in about 2 weeks-ish, because it's technically 18 to 21 days. So we're going into the next cycle. Look at all the pee on him. Ew. Yeah, Dolce. We're going to the next cycle, and then we start. So keep an eye out. Follow on the live, and you'll see, yep, when all that excitement begins. Right, buddy? Yeah. Oh, stinky, stinky. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, we got another one right here. Where's this one gonna go? It's like half a flake. We'll give it to you guys. No, not you. Okay. We got things to do this morning. Chai has to go back to the vet this morning to do another progesterone test. I think today's the day for her. Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay. Tyler left the hose because it was a super busy day yesterday with a lot of. We played with the edger. I think it's gonna work. It's gonna take a while, but it should work. Oh, silly chickens. Pooping on their water thing. And this is the time of year where it's kind of cold in the morning. It's like 50 something out here. But we're going to actually hit 75 today. So that's why the shorts for me. Oh, it's so foggy. We still gotta clean all this out. Okay. Come on. Oh, can't get this cross-threaded. You cross-thread this, air will get in, and then the whole siphon idea doesn't work. How are we doing in here?
Nobody is done.
Nobody. Okay.
Well, I don't know about Fergie.
Nope, she's eating. She's ignoring the fact that I just opened her door, which is good. You, Winnie. Oh my goodness. Okay, Fergie, don't go anywhere. Okay. Well, we don't need to lock it. She'll be fine. Oh, kitty. Uh-oh. Did we lose a chicken? That was a bad idea. That was bad. How many we got in here? 4. Okay, we're good. But I wasn't sure if one jumped. Now, one thing. The kids... No, not that kind of lose a chicken. Yeah, I get, yeah. She's right. You got to take that off. The kids have filled it, brought it in, and left, and never took that off. So then the chickens can't get their water. So the whole siphon idea doesn't work. Okay, you guys are good. Can you start laying some eggs? I'm gonna have to move you out. You're so cute. What's the white rabbit's name?
Dixie.
Hello, Dixie. How old are you, Dixie? Old. Very old. Yes, they're all getting old. You're also old. Yes. Very fluffy and old. It's Winnie again. What's going on, Winnie? You're like, let me out. I want to eat. Okay. That side of the barn is completely done. Everything over there. Let's take this back. Oh.
Still, Jay, make it so much easier. All of the buckets are already out.
No, I was moving this one to put this one back because this one was install 4 and I couldn't put it away because this one was there. That's it. That's all I was doing. What do you two want? What do you guys want? Oh my gosh, are you 3? That's funny. Winston, I heard you wrote another magazine. Oh yeah, you didn't write the first one. You were the second magazine. Oh, you got bird poop in your hair. Winston got poop. No bird poop for you. And no, we did not lose a chicken. When I said lost a chicken, I didn't mean died. I meant jumped out of the pen. Well, where are you going? No, Mom's got it over there. All right. This is hard, one-handed. Oh, man. Okay, more hay. Oh, that's wrapped up in the string. There we go. That's a good double flake right there. Come on. It's falling. There we go. Okay. Oh. Was that Winnie?
Winston's done.
Winston's done. Oh, okay.
He's still learning table manners.
Yeah. He learned that when he's 5.
I know.
Okay, all full. Let's go stop that goat from chewing his bucket, or her bucket.
Yeah, no, that's Winnie.
That's her now.
Yeah, table manners.
Yep. What are you trying to do? Throw your bucket on the floor?
I don't ever clean plate. When I say clean, I mean scrape and clean.
Oh yeah, she's good to the last drop, right? How about you? You're done? You are done too. Oh. Go. One more. One more. All right. Oh, I had some in there? Sorry. Okay, this one's going. School pictures. Okay, you need anything else over here? I could always run the house of pie. Whoa, you yelling at me? Oh, yes, that's definitely what she does. I never thought... Oh, chickens are happy. Getting all fresh new water. We'll let that run. Purposely, let it overflow. Oh, the grass is so wet, my socks are getting wet again. It's almost time to winterize the pond and the boat and everything that needs winterized and get the power washer winterized and into the house. But I gotta actually use the power washer on the boat, clean it, and then get the boat set up and put away. Tyler's boat also needs to be winterized. We're moving into that. There's different phases in farming life. Winter is survival. So what do we need to fix and prep and prepare so we and the animals can all survive the winter? You saw the wood pellets in a video the other day. If you watched that video, some of you, that was too long, 45 minutes. That's like, whoa, I need to like make some popcorn or dinner before I sit down and watch that one. Others of you love that stuff when they go that long. But setting up and making sure we have enough wood pellets to get through the winter, because we all know if you're on wood pellets, you can't buy them in January or February because the stores have already moved over to selling patio furniture for the spring, because retail runs about 3 months ahead, almost 4. I mean, you got Christmas stuff in the stores and it's not even Halloween yet. So you got to prepare for that. We picked up 1 pallet. I actually need 3 more wood pallets to prep for heating. We got to make sure we have enough water heaters in all the barns. Just like in the fish tank video, for those of you that watched it. I know, see, in this channel, you never know what you're going to get. We started this video with cats. Yesterday's video was about the fish tank. And most of our videos have a goat or 2 in them. Most videos. There's another one. Tickle, tickle, tickle. But yeah, this is more life on the farm than always farms. So Lucy, what are we doing? Oh man. There it is. Now the camera switched. Go. So yeah, there's a lot of thinking. What can we do before it starts to get too cold? And then what do we do when it gets cold? What projects are we going to do in the garage? What projects are we doing in the house? How do we stay busy? How do we stay entertained as a family? So speaking of entertaining, this is a one-take wonder. So you're not, that means, for those of you that don't know, if you're still here, one-take wonder means every edit you see right now between like, look, it's Lucy. And there's Lucy again. That camera change was all done in phone. Yes, I record everything on a phone. And then I can even go, this is me taking that shot. I could switch camera angles from back to front without stopping recording. Oh, hi, Lucy. Some phones don't allow you to do that. So, Quinn actually wants a new phone because he unfortunately cracked his. And that's a big feature we always look for in a cell phone camera, is will it allow us to switch angles while recording. Some cameras don't allow you to do that. So that's big. And I lost Lucy again. Oh, she's out in the damn driveway. Way out there. Ah, Lucy. Forgot what I was talking about in the fish video. What did I say? I don't know what we were talking about. But like I said, just a one take, meaning no editing. Oh, yeah. Hey, Lucy, what are we doing? Ah, damn it. Yeah, see, should have edited that out. Frustration happens because we got to get the dog to the vet. Oh, geez, we're running out of time, too. What was it? Yeah, no edits, no computer, no nothing. All done from the phone. And then straight up to YouTube. Just convenient style. It's not what YouTube wants, right? It's not what typical growing a great audience wants. They want quality. Oh, Lucy! Hey! Lucy! Oh my God, you piece. Lucy! Come on, turn it around. Come here. Come here. Lucy! Oh my God, she doesn't even care about the grain. Hey, come on, wake up. You're really getting annoying. I'm gonna stop bringing you out. You keep doing this. Come on, let's go. We got more. Yep, we got more. Come on. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, move your feet. Come on. Hey, Lucy, move your feet. I win. You lose. I gotcha. You're in trouble now, girl. If you think you're coming out for your own grain tomorrow, you're sadly mistaken. You're gonna start eating with your friends again. Because you are not in, oh my God. What's that called, guys? Hospice care. You do not need it. You're perfectly fine. She's playing us like a fiddle, getting us to think she needs all this extra, and she doesn't. Oh, I did it again. I never let House of Pie 1 out. Whew. I know, girls and boys. I gotcha. Okay, you guys need another flake of hay thrown. There we go. Yeah, so what YouTube wants really is for the channel to be more like, who's your audience? Like if ESPN one day decided to be like the Home Shopping Network and have nothing to do with sports, people would get like upset. Like, I'm here to watch sports, you know? So that's the problem with the way we do it, but we don't care. We just want to put out the content we want to put out. If you want to watch it, go for it. And I know you're not fish tank people. But it was fun to just change it up. Hi, girls. Hello. What are we doing? Nothing. Okay, it's time to go. All right, that's it. Now everybody's all set. Yes, blueberry coffee. Very interesting. Sold pretty well. It's not bad. All right, we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. I gotta find the button to stop it. Okay, bye.